everyone, my name is Olga Larnaudie and I live in French Alpes and I'm a natural cosmetic formulator. Here on my channel I want to share with you my ideas and my recipes and to help you to make your beauty routine a little bit greener and safer for you and for our planet. Today I want to share with you the recipe of zero waste solid eye serum. It is rich with antioxidants, it helps to moisturize this delicate area and it helps to brighten a little bit the skin because we're going to use an essential oil of Immortelle. I like zero waste cosmetics and I do it a lot. For example, in this video I've already shared the recipe of solid zero waste highlighter, and in this video I have shared the recipe of face cleansing bar. But today we're going to make a very special kind of product. It is solid eye serum and we use very active natural oils, essential oils and butters that helps to take care of this delicate area, and this serum will take great care of dry skin and mature skin. This is how it looks, and you take one cube and you put it on your skin, you wait a little bit till it melts, and then with your fingers you just tap it. To make this eye serum we are going to use two solid butters. I'm going to use cacao butter and shea butter. Both are great moisturizing agents and emollients, and we're going to use a very rare and very active essential oil of Immortelle. And this oil helps to brighten the skin and also it stimulates the cell turnover. So actually it helps your skin to regenerate faster. That's how actually the small reeds in this area disappear. It is a rare and expensive essential oil, but it works miracles. If you have an opportunity to get one and to use in your products, cosmetic products, I would highly advise you to do this. Okay guys, let's talk about what you're going to need to make your solid eye serum. You're going to need a high precision weight scale. You're going to need something where you can melt your ingredient on a water bath. Now let's talk about the ingredients. You're going to need cacao butter. I'm using cacao butter in chips, but you can actually use whatever cacao butter you can find in stores. We are also going to use shea butter. I'm using this raw shea butter, which is very nice. It takes really great care of our skin, moisturize it. And I'm also going to use this coffee macerated oil, which I made myself. So I actually took jojoba oil and macerated it with grounded coffee. If you don't know how to make macerated oils at home, check the link in the text box below this video. This is a link to my blog, and there you're gonna find a post in my blog where I explain everything step by step. We are also going to add some vitamin E. This is our antioxidant, and I'm going to add a few drops of Helichrysum italicum essential oil or Immortelle essential oil, and I'm also going to add some soybean wax, which will help us to create this solid texture. And also soybean wax, it's a good emollient and it helps to retain moisture in skin. Let's make our solid eye serum. We just put our recipient on the scale, make sure we have zeros here, and first we are going to add cacao butter. This is our cacao butter, soybean wax, shea butter and coffee macerated oil. Now I'm going to put it in a water bath and melt it down. My ingredients are all melted. Now I'm going to cool it down a little bit because we have two ingredients left. This is our essential oils and our vitamin E. They are both heat sensitive. We cannot add those ingredients into hot mixture, so we are going to cool it down a little bit while constantly mixing. Our mixture has cooled down. You can see it starts to solidify on side. You can check the temperature of your skin. It shouldn't be hot, and mine is perfectly well, so I'm going to proceed and I'm going to add my essential oil and my vitamin E. gonna mix everything really well. I want to make sure that my antioxidant and my essential oil are really well mixed in. While the temperature goes down, the mixture starts to solidify. This is totally normal. That is why we actually need to mix in our heat-sensitive ingredients while the mixture is still liquid. I'm good here. And now I'm going to pour my mixture into my silicone form. Now I'm going to put it into my fridge and leave it for maybe 30 minutes to make sure that it's completely solid, and then you can take it out and use your solid eye serum straight away. You can keep this product up to 6 months. If you live in very hot climate, then it's better to put it in the fridge because it can melt down a little bit. You will also find the recipe and all useful links in the text box below this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss new recipes, and see you next time.